Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Increase the size of file upload in your WordPress. As you can see here, this is a website I'm trying to upload a file in my WordPress account, but it's showing that the uploaded file exceeds the maximum file size upload. So I'm going to teach you how to increase your size in maybe whenever you encounter such situation, or maybe you are already in this kind of problem and you want to solve it. So what you do is just to come directly to your cPanel. When you come to your cPanel, you come here and search for multiple PHP. Multiple PHP. Okay, and it's located in softwares here. If you don't want to search, if you don't want to locate it through this section, you can just come directly to this place here. This place here, you can just locate it here. You can just come to softwares. Come to software, you come to select this PHP version. Some hosting company, their own option is not always the same thing, but whenever you want to search, just search for this multiple PHP. Will now bring you this option. Okay, so let's click on this multiple PHP here. When you click on this multiple PHP, it will take you to a page here. This page where you have to increase the size of your upload. You know that when you register your WordPress newly, they will automatically set it to be at 2 MB. And most times when you are uploading files in your WordPress dashboard, it used to be higher than 2 MB. And when it happens, it will not allow you to upload because the size is greater than the selected size that you can upload. So you just click on this option here, this one that says options. Then you scroll down to this part here that says upload maximum file size. As you can see, this one now is at 2 MB. You select it and increase it to any size that you want. You can increase it to any size. Let's increase it to 1024 MB so that it will be enough that we can be able to upload whatever thing that we want to upload. As you can see here, it has ticked good, which means that it says successful option upload. It has been successfully saved. So now let's go back and try this and see if what we did actually worked. Okay, what I was doing was I was trying to upload a theme to my WordPress site. Okay, so let me select it again and see if what we did will actually work. So let's click on install and wait for it to upload. And if this uploads successfully, then we will know that truly what we did worked. And if we upload it and it doesn't bring that error message that it brought before in the beginning of this video, you will know that what you did actually worked. So let's wait for it to load. I guess network is a little bit slow, but let's wait. Okay, so let's wait for it to load. Let me pause this video and wait for it to load. Okay, as you can see, it's uploading. Okay, have you seen? It has successfully uploaded, which means that what we did actually worked. If you can remember before, when I was trying to upload this stuff, it was not uploaded because the maximum file size was higher than the one that was automatically set by the cPanel. So after increasing it, as you can see here, we have successfully increased the size. So that's just how to increase the file size upload in your cPanel. I believe this video was helpful to you. Kindly hit the subscribe button and don't forget to like this video.